Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this easy, healthy, delicious stir-fry chicken with vegetables. Unfortunately, I accidentally deleted the footage of me prepping the chicken, so I will just tell you what I did. Here I have 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I washed with vinegar water and cut into 1/2-inch strips. I'm using dark meat, but you can use white meat, which is chicken breast, if you prefer that. I then seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, salt, fresh ginger which I pureed. You can also grate the ginger instead or chop it finely. Some of my green seasoning, video for the green seasoning is linked in the description, some soy sauce and some browning for color. The extra dark soy sauce can also give the chicken color, so if you have that, you can use it. The soy sauce that I used was the regular dark one, so the chicken wasn't brown enough for me. I then covered my chicken with plastic wrap and allowed it to marinate for an hour. All ingredients and measurements are listed down in the description. So my chicken is done marinating. For my vegetables, I have some broccoli, baby corn, and these are too long for my preference, so I just cut them in half. I have my sweet pepper here, or bell pepper as some people call it. I'm using the green one, but any color will do. I have carrot, freshly minced garlic, and onion. So I have a 1/2 cup of chicken stock here. This is homemade. If you're interested in the video, I'll link it above as well as in the description below. Of course, you don't have to use homemade. Store-bought can be used as well. And to it, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. And then set this aside until I'm ready to use. My stove here is on medium high, and to my skillet, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Of course, any oil of your preference can be used. Now that my oil is hot, my chicken goes in. And I'm going to allow it to sear for about a minute before I start to turn it. So I'm going to add my fresh garlic. And then my vegetables. So starting with the denser vegetables first, my broccoli and my carrot, because they take a longer time to cook. And I'm going to cover my pot for a minute or 2 in order for my vegetables to cook. Now, I could have blanched them before, which would allow them to cook faster with the rest of the vegetables, but I find that doing it this way is much easier. Alright, so once those have steamed up a bit, my onion and sweet pepper goes in. And I'm going to stir fry these for about a minute or 2. And last, my baby corn. So I'm going to add a pinch more salt and then cover this for another 2 minutes, after which it should be done. And there you have it, stir-fried chicken with vegetables. So easy, ready in 30 minutes or less, minus the prep time of course. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the family while we journey to our first 1,000 subscribers. If you give the recipe a try, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. You can also tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_, and don't forget to follow me as well. Follow me on all my other socials, which are also linked down in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.